What is up, my YouTube people? It's Dylan again, and I'm making another video, and I'm in a different spot. This is probably where I'm going to be doing my videos from now on. It's messy as shit right now, but I'm going to clean it up and like get a white thing, like a white sheet hung here, and it'll be better for lighting quality and all that good stuff. I don't know why I have a football. Not really sure where this came from, but it's fun to hold. In my pants. Well, not my pants, but I'm making. I get sidetracked so easily. I swear I have ADHD. But anyway, I'm making this video like to compensate for the last one I uploaded last night. I was tired as shit, and like for some reason the sound quality was really bad. Like I couldn't even hear me talk. It was ridiculous. I don't know why I'm spinning in a circle, but guys, so this video is just in case you don't want to watch the other one because I'm a quiet ass little mouse motherfucking thing. So I'm gonna tell you what to do now in this video where you can probably actually hear me. And don't say shit about my outfit. I know I'm not matching. I don't care. But this is what you guys can do. My Q&A video is gonna come out tomorrow along with my first workout video. And you guys need to give me questions for my Q&A video. And so, either leave the questions in the last video I uploaded, in the comment section, or in this mother frickin' comment section if you feel like it. You know, if you're feeling spritzy or something. Is that even a word? I don't know. But leave like questions for my Q&A video in the comments, and I'll try to answer everyone I can. I may be taking a trip to Japan. No, I'm just lying. That just rhymed. I don't know. But I'm rubbing my nipple. Okay. Anyways, don't want to drag this video on for fucking ever because that'd be pointless. But just ask me questions in the comments down there for like my Q&A video, and I'll answer them as many as I can. And yeah, like I said, this video is kind of pointless. It's just to make up for the last one that I made. That's what I do when I cough. I like throw my knee at my face. But yeah, so ask me questions in the comments. Like this video or I will find you and I will stalk you with my pants on my head. So like the video, subscribe to me because why wouldn't you want to? There's no better reason. Like, really? But this is where I'm going to be at from now on for my Q&A videos, guys. And, of course, my workout videos are going to be in the weight room. So, yeah. That's... Oh, I'm getting a new camcorder. So, better video quality will be coming for you guys. And stuff. And, you know. Why do I still have this? But, yeah. That's about all I had to say, guys. Be sure to subscribe. Leave your questions in the comments, and do whatever the fuck else you want, because I'm done with this video.